In this video, I'm going to show you how to build backlinks on Jimdo to improve your website SEO and rank higher on search engines. Listen carefully as I explain the steps because I can create an account due to restrictions, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the best strategies you can use. Let's get started. So first, make sure you are on the official website of Jimdo. And now, to create a high quality content, the best way to attract backlinks is by publishing valuable, original, and engaging content. You can write a blog post, guides, or tutorials that other websites would want to link to. You can use infographics, videos, or case studies to make your content shareable, and then get a backlink by listing your Jimdo site on the business directories, niche directories, and local directories. Some high authority directories to consider is Google My Business, Yelp, Bing Places, Trustpilot, industry specific directories related to your niche, and then find websites in your niche that accept guest posts. You can write an informative blog post and include a link back to your Jimdo site, and make sure that the website is reputable and relevant to your industry, and then leave valuable comments on popular blogs related to your niche, adding your website link if allowed. You can also join forums like Reddit, Quora, and niche-specific communities and provide a useful answers with a link back to your Jimdo site. And that's it. That's how you build backlinks on Jimdo by creating a high quality content, engaging with online communities, and submitting your site to directories. You can improve your SEO and boost your rankings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.